would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know.
Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here for 2022's Valentine's Day Clean and Decorate with me. I am so excited, you guys, to be sharing this with you all. And I know that it's January, but the idea is to get this video out in time for you guys to get some inspiration before you guys tackle your home. And this is actually my first year decorating for Valentine's Day, and I have to say I am loving it almost just as much as Christmas decor, which is crazy. You guys know that last week I did a major deep clean along with taking down all my Christmas decor, and it left my house super bare, and so I'm just happy to have it feeling more festive and just cozy again. So yeah, we're just gonna jump straight in after I quickly clean up the kitchen from after we had breakfast, because you know we need a clean slate. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. So while we're cleaning up the kitchen, I want everybody to go ahead and let me know in the comments, do you decorate for Valentine's Day? I know that it's not everybody's thing, and Christmas is enough decorating for the whole year really, because it's so much work. But I think I'm gonna decorate seasonally now, because I just love the way Valentine's Day came out. And like I said, it was my first year. It was the first year Valentine's Day came around while I'm in my own house and I'm not taking care of a newborn. So I decided to decorate for Valentine's Day this year. And a little backstory to February is just filled with love for me. Me and my husband got married in February of 2020. We also conceived our daughter like on the honeymoon. So there's just a lot of love. So I was just like, I think I should decorate for Valentine's Day this year, because I just want to bring the romantic feels to the house, and I'm just loving it. You guys saw my haul. If you didn't, I'll link that up above so you can know where everything is from exactly. But I went all pink and blush, and I just love the way it turned out. I cannot wait for you guys to see everything. Please do let me know what you think below once you guys start seeing all the decor. But yeah, let me know if you guys decorate for Valentine's Day.
If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now?
Alright you guys, so we're gonna jump straight in, and I just want to be really intentional and letting you guys know that I did not spend a lot of money. I DIY'd some stuff and I shopped a lot at the Target dollar spot. So if you are nervous about decorating for Valentine's Day, you can do it on a budget. That little vase was actually from the dollar spot, which I love. It was $3, and most of the florals that I'm using as well were from the dollar spot as well. This cookie jar I already had, and then I got these cookies from Target, and they were not from the dollar spot, but they were $3.49. I got 2 packs. And a little hint that I'm going to give you guys, if you want to make your cookie jar look fuller, is to go ahead and put a cup inside of the cookie jar, and then you just place the cookies around it, and it just will give it a full look. And I love the way it turned out. So that's cookies, and baked goods are a really easy way to decorate your kitchen for seasons, and it's so inexpensive.
Now I'm here alone. I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you, although you drive me crazy. I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still. You're medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you.
So as you can see, it looks as if it's full to the brim, which is what I was going for. And then I wanted some height, so I put it on this little mini cake stand that I also got from the Target dollar spot. It was $5, and I also got this from Target. It wasn't in the dollar spot, but it was $5, and I love this little pink heart house. It's a little pink ceramic house, and I actually got 2 of them. And then this vase, just like the other one, was also from the Target dollar spot. It came from a 2-pack. that was $5. Most of the mini vases that I'm using in this video are from, actually all of them are from the Target dollar spot. Now this baked Valentine treat sign that I'm putting here is from HomeGoods. It was $10. I got a few things from HomeGoods, and the pink rolling pin that I'm gonna put right under it as well is from HomeGoods. It was $6.99, super inexpensive, and I thought it was just perfect to go next to the cake stand because I was gonna put baked goods in there. And for that, I'm gonna be making a really simple box cake. I bought the Valentine's Day Funfetti box mix from Target, as well as their Valentine's Day Funfetti frosting, and I'm just gonna be baking a 2-tier cake. Really simple, but it turned out so cute. So here I'm just gonna be showing you guys me making one of the tiers, and then you'll see me assembling it. But guys, this is my first time trying parchment paper on the bottom of the tin so that the cake will not stick and come out perfect, and this is honestly like the secret to baking, and you guys need to try it if you don't make your cakes like that already.
Weak for you, yeah, you, yeah, you. I'm weak for you, yeah, you, yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control.
So guys, I am not by any means a professional baker, nor do I take credit for making beautiful cakes. But one thing that I have learned when using store-bought frosting is because it's a bit runny, if you mix your frosting with some confectioner sugar and then put it in your piping bag and put it in the freezer or the fridge for a bit, it'll harden a bit and it'll be more thicker and much easier to work with if you're piping like I was. I was having trouble because I left it in the freezer a little too long, so don't do that. You want it to get to a thick consistency but not frozen, because then it will be super hard to work with. But yeah, I love the way that it turned out. I just piped these little bulbs there. My idea was to go for like a naked cake and stuff, and I was gonna use the sprinkles that the confetti came with, but I decided to just leave it like that and bare, and I think it looked super cute.
Of this feeling you're giving me, don't wanna wake up. Now I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without.
These kitchen towels that I'm going to be putting on both the oven and the dishwasher are from HomeGoods. The Target dollar spot did have them, but I did not like those. I thought that they were a little too flimsy for the look that I was going for, so I went to HomeGoods, and these are really good quality, and they were $6.99 for a 2-pack, and I got 2 of those 2-packs, but I decided to mismatch them. So the 2-pack comes with 2 identical kitchen towels, so I just used one from one pack and one from the other. And yes, I know the hearts are upside down, but when you see the end shots, I did correct that. I didn't notice it at first when I was recording this.
I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you.
This tray that I'm going to be putting down in the island I already had. I did use it in my Christmas decor as well. And the vase that I'm putting on it is actually from my baby shower. I had like a pink theme baby shower, and I actually spray painted the vase white. It was actually a clear vase and it had pink beads inside. It's something that we DIY'd. This candle is from Bath & Body Works. It was gifted to me for Christmas from my sister-in-law, so shout out to you because it worked perfect. And this little knickknack that says "You Are So Loved" is from HomeGoods, and it was $4.99.
Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. You got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know.
Alright you guys, now to pick up my energy before I headed into the living room, I went ahead and made a little Valentine's Day hot chocolate. And yes, hot cocoa is not only for December and Christmas, it is still cold over here in January and February. I live in New York, if you guys don't already know that. We actually have snow coming tomorrow from the day that I'm filming this voiceover. So yeah, I'm just stirring with these little hot cocoa stirrers, Valentine's Day theme that I got from HomeGoods. It was $4.99, super cute, and I used the white chocolate one. And yeah, we're gonna pick up our energy and then get to the living room.
Baby, without. Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl.
Now we're heading into the living room, and before jumping into the Valentine's Day decor, I had to put some normal stuff back, like those picture frames were empty since I took down all my Christmas decor because there was Christmas photos in there. So I just left everything empty, even that side table there. I had a lamp, I have the plant that's supposed to go by the mirror. I had to put everything back, and then we're gonna go ahead and decorate for Valentine's Day in here.
Make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money. Make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind.
Alright, now I'm just putting the lamp back, and yes you guys, this is still the broken one. I am still waiting for this to come back in stock so I can be sent a new one, you guys.
Ooh girl, nah nah. You're my island, tray of diamonds. It was fake, it's fake, help me find you. You're a blessing.
Again, this is one of the same kind of clear pink tinted base that I told you were from the Target Dollar Spot, and the same flowers from the Target Dollar Spot, and I added these all over the house and it just looks super cute. Now we're heading over to the mantle, and this garland is from HomeGoods and it was $12.99. And you guys, I think it's about time that I introduce myself if you're new here. I probably should have did this in the beginning of the video, but you guys know I'm always forgetting to. So my name is Josie and I'm a wife and first time mom to a beautiful baby girl. And on my channel I do a ton of videos like this for seasons and also non-seasonal, cleaning motivation, home decor, all that good stuff. And actually we just moved into this house, so if you notice things are a bit bare, that is why. But I have been sharing a ton of non-seasonal clean and decorates with me because we're in the process of furnishing and decorating our home. So if that's something that interests you and you end up liking this video, I would love it if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button and stay with us. Now back to the mantle. This hugs and kisses sign is from HomeGoods as well. I think it was $4 or $5.99. This house again is from Target. It was $5. This vase was from Hobby Lobby. It was $7, and the florals are both the two different type of florals are from the Target Dollar Spot as well. I did change it up a bit in a few, and I added this wooden heart from the Target Dollar Spot as well. It was $5, and I think it looks super cute. Everything that I'm putting on my coffee table is from Target. Both vases that I try are from Target, and as well as the candle. It was one of those 3-wick candles that are super inexpensive, $7.99, and smells so good. Let me know which vase you guys ended up liking. I did stay with the pink picture looking one, but let me know if you like the white one instead. So the throw that I'm using on my sofa, you guys already know, are from Target. I have the red one from Christmas, and it does shed lint. So I'm just letting you guys know that now if you go ahead and go to Target and get one of these. But the only reason why I got the pink one instead is because I found it on clearance. This is actually from the Christmas collection. I have no idea why Christmas had a pink throw. I think Christmas is more red. But it was on clearance for $19 and the original price was $30, so I went ahead and got it. This super cute neutral Valentine's Day pillow, I got it from HomeGoods for $30. It was pretty inexpensive, but I love it because it's neutral and that's what I'm looking for. And this pink pillow, I got it also from Target. It was on clearance from their Christmas collection. I got it for $14. Now I'm just taking down the sign that I had for Christmas because I showed you guys in my haul that I bought a new mirror, and I also bought this wreath to put on the mirror. So while my husband is putting up the mirror, I'm just adding these pink roses that I got from Hobby Lobby to this wreath to add a little pink and Valentine's Day feels.
Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
For the dining table, I just went ahead and added my vase that I got from Target. I had this up before Christmas and I added it back, and then I added some pink roses that I got from Hobby Lobby. All their florals when I went were 50% off, so it was super inexpensive. And then we're gonna head into the bathrooms. I did something similar in both bathrooms, and everything is from the Target dollar spot. Now, ahead of time, I'm letting you guys know that the soap dispensers that I bought from Target were clear and they had a rose pink pump, which I love for Valentine's Day, but I wanted it to be in white, so I spray painted it, and it didn't come out all that good because it was raining and snowing in New York for the whole week that I was doing this video. So you'll notice that when I put in the soap, it looks a little orange because some of the spots I wasn't able to get, and if I did get it, the rain washed it away. I had it outside drying, but it's fine because when I put it in there, I kind of hid it with everything else. And those little trays that I'm using are also from the Target dollar spot. Guys, I love them. They're super cute. If you haven't already went to Target and found those, you have to, because they are a super, super cute find.
You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your destination.
Alright, you guys, now we're heading into the upstairs bathroom, and I did something very similar to actually almost exactly the same to the downstairs bathroom, but this is the last space we're decorating. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you've been watching until now, please do let me know in the comments, as always, what do you guys think of everything and any suggestions. You know, I'm very open to suggestions and I always take advice, so go ahead and do that in the comments. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure that you give it a like, because that helps me a ton and my channel. And if you're not already, go ahead and click that red subscribe button. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.